So today is officially the day that B&W leaves us, unfortunately. As I said, as part of the deal with Neil, he gets this car, including all the parts in the back of the partner, the gearbox, M3 set of wheels, and a couple other bits and bobs. I have a couple of things here that I need to kind of find kicking about. Need to get the bucket seat out because that's not mine, that's Andrea's, and change this tire over because, as you can see, it's been pretty flat for a while. So yeah, it's not the greatest day, all things considered. This will be my second drift car, but we're gonna get the car out just now with the digger again. We're gonna get it up on the trailer pretty much. So yeah, definitely some of the more sketchier stuff that we've done, but you know what, it's working, so I can't really complain, in all honesty. Flat boy, almost there. It looks way too good now. Almost starting to get upset, but we're just gonna carry on, and it's all for the best, part of the plan.
We ain't perfect, no. It's a work in progress. Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. You got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
So unfortunately, we started leaving Inverness. The trailer was just deemed too sketchy, pretty much. Single axle trailer that is rated for 1700. And to be fair, we might have been a wee bit overweight, but started swinging pretty profusely, so we decided that we're just gonna find ourselves a dual axle trailer, which shouldn't be too hard to find, to be honest. Should be able to get everything loaded up by Monday. B&W stays for another night, but tomorrow back at it, get it on a trailer, proper trailer, and live in the high hope we get down there with plenty of time. That was getting really sketchy, but we're set. See what happens when we come back. What's happening, guys? So it's day 3, I think, of trying to get this car finally out of my hair. I say that, I kind of still don't want it out of my hair because I know I'm gonna miss it, but regardless, either way, we're here. Now, as I said before, big problem with the trailer. Big problem. Swaying a lot of pivoting that it shouldn't be doing while it's driving. But it doesn't matter because I've gotten in touch with one of the first boys that helped me out on this channel. And it was one of my first videos, and it was when I got my first drift car. And that man, Ronnie, he hasn't given me a guarantee yet that he's going to be able to take it at any point. So it's a case of waiting for a response from him. And then after that, we're all good to go. And whenever he says, the day that he says that he's ready to go, is the day that we go. And then everything is just packed, ready, waiting, just to go straight on the back of it, straight in the van, and go, just go. Down to Neil's at Katie Customs, where we'll get stripped down, parted out, sold, and then on the hunt to find a semi-decent, drift-ready car. So, all to look forward to. I'll roll of the dice, but sure as hell, it's only a month away. Genuinely, well, 2 months away now, but still. Let's see what Ronnie says. Hello again. So, long story short, Ronnie said yes, he would take down the car. I am going to take down the engine at some point later down the line for the time being. So, at this very point in time, this is one of the last time, well, probably will be the last time that we'll see this B&W in its current state. It'll more than likely, well, someone might find it a decent enough shell and might want to do the work to it, but this is its final farewell. So, second drift car. second drift car. Neither one of them I've had out on track. Would you believe that? So after tonight, take parts off, start stripping, start selling, and find somewhat of a decent car for one, for January, and two, for 2023 when I officially start my full season for the year. I've got a lot of tracks that I need to go to and a lot of events that I missed out on last year, so definitely going to be doing a lot of that. So just getting the ratchet straps just undone for the rest of it just now. This one's kind of been a pain because it's very, very tight on there. Regardless, I'm going to do some beauty shots of the car. I'm going to get that ratchet strap off and we're going to get this car off, fill the gearbox that's in the van. Oh yeah, by the way, Andrea's new wagon for the team, which is pretty awesome, not gonna lie. Automatic, 3.5 litre, same engine that's in the 350Z. I can't remember what the hell it's called, but it is a Nissan, and that I'm pretty happy with, I will not lie. So it does have a lot of features. This, the whole, oh no, is it this door that doesn't work? There's one door that actually doesn't work. It works as a door, but it doesn't work as an automatic door. Right now the back seats are up, but this can turn into a fully set bed or seating area. All of them turn round. There is remotes because there is a TV up there. Aircon as well, I'm pretty sure, on the back. There is footrests and there is armrests on every one. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited about this coming to events with us because this is going to be the chillest van. Is going to be so mega. This also has a tow capacity of about 3.5 ton. Yeah, so gonna get the God, I get so distracted so easily, it's ridiculous. But anyway, we're gonna get on with the BMW. I'm gonna get it off. We're gonna get the rest of the stuff that's in the back of this. I thought that this would have been a wee bit of automatic. So gonna get a couple of wheels and tires and this box filled with a radiator, brake parts, radiator parts, gearbox, the ZF gearbox that I had originally bought for the V8 swap that I had originally planned. Now that's pretty much where we are at the moment. I'm gonna get cracking on, and by the time that we start recording again, it'll probably be when the car is leaving us. So anyway, see you there.
To pray today, but no one's listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you'll be the shoulder that I need. I want to.
So got everything away, packed up. Well, maybe not everything. Sure, there's still a couple of little bits and bobs, but we are full. 2 bucket seats behind there. Andrea's seat will be keeping, but that is officially the BMW sitting, waiting, ready to go onto a transporter and finally go down to Neil's and start the progress into finding a semi-decent car that works, runs, drives. That's all it just needs to do. And then I'm sound. That's all I need. It's just a car. Just a car. Just what? But yeah, essentially, we're moving in the right direction. I mean, at the end of the day, making the right moves in my dream and finally getting on track for the whole duration of 2023. Let me tell you, it'll be way too dark to record by the time that Ronnie gets here, but what's happening, guys? So, oh, Ronnie, you're barely even in it. There you go. Last time seeing the car, it's a pretty heartbreaking time, but as I said, you know, on to good, better things. If you don't recognize Ronnie, Ronnie was in, I think, one of the first videos, and he transported my first BMW that ended up getting scrapped, but we'll not talk about that. But yeah, on to better things. Yeah. Bye, mate. I really didn't want to let go of this car, so much so to the point that I've just let Ronnie drive off without the bloody key. Cheers, Ronnie. So, with the BMW gone, away down to Neil's. It's all for the right reasons. Better things are coming for 2023. We just have to wait until 2023 now. It'll be diamond. So, the next video will be the SDC round, last round with Neil Dawson's KD Customs Bash happening. So I highly recommend you get yourself down there because it's going to be one of the biggest events of the year, and all we have to do is just enjoy it. But till the next video, guys, I shall see you later on. Remember, like, comment and subscribe. Next car is going to be well worth it. C'est la vie, hey? Have a good one.
Yeah, yeah.